Recently, I was asked what inspired me to become a career coach, and that's when I thought that I should post a video on this so that people get to know how I have started this journey career coaching. So, have you ever felt like lost in your career? Like no matter you hard you try and the right opportunities just don't come your way? Well, I have been there, and that journey led me to become a career coach. So let me share my story with you all today. So what happened is, like many of you, I also started my career with the dreams, with the ambitions, with a strong educational background. I became a company secretary back in 2010, and I did my law thinking that my degrees success would flow. Okay, but reality had absolutely different plans. Okay, I faced like multiple rejections, and when I tried to get back into the workforce after my career gap, with every rejection, self doubt creeping in. I mean, I questioned my skills, my worth, even my decision to take a break. Okay. And that happens to everyone. I felt stuck, but one day I had a realization. Problem was not with me, problem was with my system. That's when I understood something very powerful, that systems succeed, humans fail. And that's what my mentor also says that. So I was doing what everyone else was doing, blindly applying to jobs, waiting for responses, hoping to get the best. And I was networking with all of the people on LinkedIn, was posting them, please give me job. Here is my resume. But hope is not the strategy, right? Hope is not the strategy. So that time I stopped focusing on just job applications, and I started working on the strategy. I researched what successful professionals were doing differently to stand out. Okay, so I built my own career program, Career Revival Mastery, and instead of just applying to jobs, I learned how to position myself as a valuable candidate. And then I learned, deep dived into what is LinkedIn, what is the LinkedIn algorithm working, and then I understood the networking strategy, how to network with the right kind of people and create that system that bring opportunities to me instead of I chasing them and I asking for job. Okay, so that's what worked, and it worked. Not only this, I myself had a lot of job opportunities back then, and when I started this helping others using the same system, they also started succeeding. Okay, so that was a mind-blowing moment, aha moment for me, and that was a moment I knew I was not just passionate about finding a job for myself, I was passionate about helping others get out of the same problem, same situation, job search situation, which I had fallen into, right? That's when I founded Empower Wings Hub, wherein my mission was to help 1 lakh women and the job seekers returning to workforce after a career gap and build their personal brand with the use of AI, LinkedIn strategies, and building the resumes, and the topmost, understanding the career clarity. So through my Career Revival Mastery program, I've helped hundred of job seekers get unstuck, regain their confidence, and achieve 10x interview calls. So that's my goal is. And if you are also struggling with your career, I want you to know that you are not alone. Your career gap doesn't define you, your past rejections do not define you, but your system does. So systems succeed, humans fail. That's why I became a career coach, to help unlock so many opportunities, build confidence, work on your inner first. Okay, and then take control, take 100% responsibility of your career journey by using the system that works. Okay, so if my story actually resonates with you, then and you are looking for guidance in your job search, let's connect. Join my free webinar, book a clarity call with me. The clarity call is absolutely free, so go ahead, book my clarity call. The link is in my description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so that more people can gain from this.